All right, we're back to show you the made-from-scratch crab cakes, and I've gotten a good sear on these guys on the first side, and this is the color that we're after. Just a nice, good golden brown. They're on the second side, obviously, right now. As you can see, there's not a lot of residual clarified butter, and that's what we wanted. We wanted just enough to keep these guys sliding around and getting that good color on the outside so that when we flipped them on the second side, there's no residual left. I'm going to go ahead and finish these off in the oven just so that they're nice and warm and hot for service. I've got the oven preheated at about 350. I'm going to put them in there for about 4 minutes, maybe 5, and it'll be finished. Sometimes if you make these guys thin enough, it can be as quick as 3 minutes. But for now, the cooking procedure itself is done, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this fire off and put them in the oven for another 4 to 5 minutes, and they'll be ready to eat. Alright, so we're back to show you the finished product for the made-from-scratch crab cakes. And I've finished them off in the oven in the same saute pan that I seared them in. So I'm going to go ahead and crank the oven off here and pull these guys out. And that is the... And I'll pull these out. I really don't even really need the spatula to pull them out. But that's pretty much it. The reason that we wanted to finish them off in the oven is we got a good nice sear and good nice color out of the stovetop method. And once we've thrown them in the oven, we've kind of finished the cooking process, so we've gotten heat all around these guys so they're nice and hot and ready for service, and the interior is done the way that it needs to be. So that's the finished product, and I'll take one of those off there and give you a little bit better look. And they're ready to go and plated up and nice and steamy on the inside, so enjoy those.